Are you struggling with an error while trying to run your React Native app? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the frustrating issue of the error calling AppRegistry.runApplication and how to fix it. I totally get it. It's incredibly frustrating when you follow all the steps and yet your app refuses to run. Many developers face this issue, and it can feel like you're hitting a brick wall. Let's look at a specific case. One user recently asked, "Why does my app show an error when I run it on Nexus 6 API 23? They tried several methods, including using ADB reverse and starting the React Native server, but nothing worked. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So, what could be causing this error? It often stems from issues with the Metro bundler, network configurations, or even the emulator settings. We'll break it down step by step to help you troubleshoot effectively. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could save you a lot of time and headaches in the future. To begin resolving the error, the user should ensure that the React Native development server is running. This can be done by opening a terminal and executing the command React Native start. Next, the user needs to check if the Metro bundler is running correctly. If the terminal shows loading dependency graph done, it indicates that the server is functioning as expected. If the user still encounters the error, they should try resetting the cache of the React Native packager. This can be done by running the command React Native start reset cache. Additionally, the user should ensure that the Android emulator is properly configured. They can check the emulator settings to confirm that it is using the correct API level and has the necessary permissions. Finally, if the error persists, the user can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app on the emulator. This can help clear any residual issues from previous builds. Fun fact: did you know that React Native was developed by Facebook and is used in their mobile apps? So you're in good company when you run into issues. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests starting the React Native server on a specific port. They recommend typing React Native start that port 88.1 in the command line. After that, you should open another command shell to run the app, which helped them run it successfully. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your React Native environment updated. This can prevent many common issues and keep your development smooth. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the error and get your app running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on React Native development.